Good morning, student. Today to continue with our partnership topic, we'll discuss about effects of non-registration. Day 4, yesterday we did partnership day. Now effects of non, if the partnership firm is not registered, it has to remain deprived of the following advantage. No partner can take any legal action against any other partner. If something other partner do something which is not good for the organization or which is not good for a partner, so no partner can take any action. No partner can initiate proceeding against the firm in order to get the rights. So no partner can file a suit against the rights. Firm 2 cannot start proceeding against any other partner if some partner is not doing what a firm expects. So a partnership firm can't sue it. Firm cannot proceed, another party, the third party cannot proceed, while the other parties can proceed against the firm. Against the firm. Now benefits of registration. Benefits to the firm. Firm gets the right of filing a case against the external party in the court. Now benefit to the partner. The partners can file a case against one another. In case of conflict, they can also seek the protection of the court in defense of their rights against the firm and outside parties. Now benefits to incoming partner. The incoming partner of the registered firm is capable of pleading for his rights, while in case of non-registration of the firm, he has to depend on the honesty of other partners. The benefit to ongoing partner. A partner can get separated from the firm in the following two situations. On the death of a partner, after the death of a partner, his successors are not responsible for his activities in the firm. Hence, to save themselves from this responsibility, they do not have to give any public notice to this effect. On the retirement of the firm partner, a retiring partner remains responsible for the activities of the firm so long as the public notice about his retirement is not issued. But the retiring partner of a registered firm gets rid of this responsibility after giving this information to the registrar, which is noted down in the register. Hence, after giving information to the registrar, the retiring partner will not be responsible for any liability of the firm from the date of giving this information. Thank you.